Good day, everyone. So we are about to view now a two-bedroom, 67 square meter, fully furnished condo unit here at Infinite Tower. So this is a two-bedroom corner unit. Okay, tara, tignan natin. Yeah. So on the entrance, on the left side, it's the dining area, four-seater dining area, and with the drop light, beautiful drop light. And there's the sofa of the living room area. The TV, it's a, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 50-inch LED TV, smart TV. And here is a wonderful balcony on the living room. So yeah, you get to enjoy this. Have a cup of coffee. Yan. Yan, so pwedeng magkape-kape while watching the sunset, the afternoon. So yan, that is Cubao area, LRT station, and hospital. It's there, the hospital. And there's a grocery. There's a lot of banks here, BPI, Metro Bank. There's an RCBC there, Land Bank. Yeah. So very accessible ang area for this location. Yan. So let's go to the kitchen. So the right side now, it's the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. So yan, ang ganda ng induction cooker niya. So it's a high-end induction cooker. Range hood, pull out range hood. Yan. Then may drop light. Cove light na rin yung kitchen sink niya, granite countertop, and here we go for the inverter refrigerator. It's a high energy efficient rating, so tipid na kuryente to. So yan, kasama na to for the rented unit. Okay, natin dito sa toilet and bath. So yan, here's the toilet and bath. Yan, may cabinet, toilet cabinet na siya, or vanity cabinet. Yan, ganda. Tapos ganda ng wallpaper, high-end wallpaper yan, hindi na yung putyo-putyo na wallpaper. So the toilet bowl, the shower area, yan, shower area. So may kasama na siyang shower heater by Ecotherm. Yan, tapos punta tayo ngayon sa ito naman yung utility cabinet or the washing machine cabinet. You get to install here your washing machine. May kasama na rin vacuum. Yan. So, may racks na rin by IKEA. Yan. So, provided, may provision na rin for installation of the washing machine. So, yun yung water outlet. There's the drain. Yan. Tapos, here we go with the second bedroom or the smaller bedroom. Yan. The smaller bedroom niya. Designed siya for a mini office. Okay. You can put a sofa bed over there. So with the ceiling fan, yan, in the office setup. So yan, may office chair ka na, office table, and drawers, and a window, facing the balcony. Tapos ang kasama yung aircon, guys, is energy efficient din. So it's LG dual inverter, dual compressor aircon. And there's another window. So this window is facing Aurora Boulevard or Cubao area. And another cabinets. Ayan, napaka-spacious ng cabinets, guys. Ang swerte ng first tenant nito. So yan, spacious cabinet. Yan, may kasamang salamin. Yan, ganda ng cabinet. IKEA lahat to, guys. IKEA lahat yung cabinet. So it's durable, or especially for long-term tenants. So, ito tayo sa master's bedroom. Here is the master's bedroom. Ayan. So, same setup, ceiling fan na may ilaw. And then, queen size bed. Tapos, yung queen size bed, may mga pull-out cabinet siya. So, ayan. May mga pull-out cabinet, no? Specifically, ito specifically to design yung space saver, no? Kasi condo to. So, yun. Ayan. Tapos, this beautiful sliding door cabinet, guys. Japanese style. May kasama siyang mirror. Yan. Kaliwaan siya. So, pwede din dito sa kabila. So, ayan. Tapos, syempre, high-end wallpaper. Napakaganda ng gawa. And then, side table or side cabinet. Yan, pero nakahang kasi siya. And then, another energy efficient na aircon. Yan, inverter yan, dual compressor din. And then we go to the balcony. So, this is the balcony area. Yan. With side view, Quezon City. Then yung bandang North EDSA. Tapos, yung building ng north of Infinite Towers, there's the amenities. So, we're at the 30th floor. Tapos, yan, face amenities. Kita mo yung basketball court. Tapos, kita mo yung, ito, yung mountain vista ng Sierra Madre. So, yan. So, itong design nitong balcony, pwede rin dito magsampay. Pero not higher than the railings, no? Pero dapat sa loob, okay? So, yan, you can enjoy this spacious balcony kasi, syempre, dito naman sa condo living, kailangan natin ng sampayan. So, yan. Yan, guys. So, if you're interested sa unit na to, check my number on the description below. You may call me or you may message me directly. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.